One of the questions I think I get every day are, Jackson, what are some of the best tools for me to grow my YouTube channel? Well, in this video, we're going to be doing a full review on Tubebuddy. Do you need it? Should you pay for it? I ain't going to lie. Yes, you need it. It's literally the greatest tool ever for growing your channel. So I'm going to be diving in and doing a full review / tour of Tubebuddy and how it can help you grow your real estate YouTube channel. And we're getting after it right now. What's up, everybody? This is Jackson Wilkie with the YouTube Agents. If this is your first time to this channel and you want every single tip and trick on how to grow a real estate YouTube channel that gets you millions of dollars of free leads, just like we do, make sure you tap that subscribe button and you click the little bell so you're notified every time we do a new video. Yes, I'm going to be diving into Tubebuddy, showing you everything, and towards the end of it, why it's so important for your channel. So make sure you stay tuned to the end. I always want to say that down in the description and in the comments, I do have a free webinar, so make sure you go check that out on start to finish on how to do this stuff. So let's dive into it. I got to jump screens here. All right, so as you can see, we are on the home screen of our YouTube channel right here. And number one is Tubebuddy right there. So if you already have it, you know about this. And this is not just for beginners. This is if you already have Tubebuddy, exactly how to use it correctly, or if you don't have it, why you need it. So what Tubebuddy does is it actually builds an extension off of your computer and pulls in data from YouTube. So if you want to grow, hey, you got to have Tubebuddy because it's going to tell you exactly the videos you need to be shooting. So what you do is you actually click on it here, and it's going to kind of bring everything up. Actually, it's cool. It brings up your milestones. So when you hit new, like we just hit 4,000 subscribers the other day, you can print off these certificates to post out there. But we're here for the tool. So the bread and butter of this thing is this keyword explorer. You will never grow on YouTube if you don't know what to type. So this is an incredible example. I love showing people. This is a video. I don't care where you live. You need to do this video. Cost of living in, there it is. So now what this does, see how it's automatically pulling up videos? So right now, cost of living in Portland, Oregon, cost of living in Portland, cost of living in Portland versus Seattle. Yeah, I've done all these videos. It's telling you exactly what people are typing in there, but now you can select this. So first thing you're going to see is, if this is free, you can actually get this for free, but if you do not pay, you're only going to get this unweighted tab. So it's just going to say generally how good this long tail keyword or this title is. So here it's telling me, it's fair. You know, there's some pretty good search volume, but it's pretty competitive. But the optimization strength, this is something right here that literally I look at all the time. Optimization is all your metadata, your titles, tags, descriptions, what you say in the video, everything. So right here, I already see, hey, this is a chance right now that even though there's a lot of competition, they're not optimized correctly. That's what this teaches you and what I teach you in this channel. So there's a chance you can actually rank your video up there with all of the big YouTubers. So the other thing you do is now you're going to, if you pay for it, check it over to the weighted tab. Obviously, we do so many videos, it doesn't matter. We're going to crush this, and it says very good. You can see the search volume, you know, obviously stays the same, but competition, we have more subscribers and views than the other people. So it's saying we're going to have a way better chance. Again, YouTube wants consistency, it wants players, it wants serious creators, so it rewards those. So that's why I have a better chance. Now we're going to start messing with this to get it, try and find the perfect title that someone might type in that nobody else has. So now you go, how much does it costs to live in Portland, Oregon? So this is actually a way somebody might type this, and look at that. Excellent. It's searched twice as much. There's way less videos in the pool. The pool before had 145,000 videos in it, which is still pretty low. We like that 150,000 or less, not millions of videos in that pool. And now, no competition, no optimization. This is saying, do this video and we're going to rank you right up there. And obviously, you hit the results tab. We own 11 of the top 29 that have to do with anything about this. We just tattoo this whole thing. You can just see us everywhere. But that's kind of how you use the keyword explorer. Now, you're going to take this over. I'm going to copy this real quick. And this is what Tubebuddy just added. Was something unbelievable because I used to have to use multiple different platforms to get this information. So now you can hit action and you go to the optimizing the SEO Studio. So now this is going to allow you to optimize. Now when I talk about metadata and optimization, this is what I'm talking about. If you remove that, see how much you lose? Over 20%. So if you do not put your title in your description it dings you big time. So just literally by doing that, adding it, you're going to get a way better score. And then you're going to go through here and you're going to type out a big long paragraph, not keyword stuffing, but explaining your video and maybe throwing in Portland and Oregon and living in your description a few more times. So then you move it to the next step. And as you can see, it's right here in my tags. Again, you remove it and it takes away a huge chunk. So put it, your title in your description and your tags. It's super imperative, and boom, it boosts your score. So what you're going to do is just start typing in a bunch of different tags to see which ones help you score. So living in Portland, see if that does anything. Living in Portland, Oregon. Moving to Portland. Okay, see how that's ticking? So obviously I spelled that wrong, but whatever. See how it climbed up? This is where you can start adding a bunch of tags. Just Portland. You know, Portland, Oregon. Really start going through and see how much you can get that score. So I'm just kind of going quick, but this is how you can optimize your videos correctly to rank with the big dogs and get your videos to stay up top, get more views, get more subscribers. So now we go to next, and it's going to bring up thumbnails. So you can actually upload your thumbnail right here and see how it stacks up against the best in the West, which is obviously me. And what you're going to do is read the tips. Use bright and colorful high contrast images. Include a close-up of a human face whenever possible. Ensure the text is large enough to read on any device. That's the number one thing I see with everybody is they do a thumbnail and they got like 15 different words on there so small you can't see it. So you know exactly when you see these. You can read this on a mobile phone, anything. You know, these numbers can't be right. Crazy costs. High vis picture of my face. That's why these rank so well. I mean, you can do the text bubble however you want to do it. But those are what this is what Tubebuddy does. If you think that's all Tubebuddy does, you're crazy. Now let's take you into the YouTube Studio. This is the stuff I love. When you have Tubebuddy, if you go to your videos right here, you're going to select Video tab. Watch this. It populates. There it is. So here's your Tubebuddy. Now I can do bulk. So we're always changing stuff in our descriptions. Now I have the ability to make a bulk description, upload that so that I never have to type all that stuff out every time I upload a video. The only thing I add every time are my new tags and my new description, but all of our numbers, email, all of the information about Portland, everything, all the important parts we want to get across, I can do that automatically. The cool thing is if I ever want to switch something out, maybe you get a new number, a new email address, maybe you want to, you add in, you start getting paid from other local shops to put links in there. You can change out by doing a bulk description. So you actually find and replace text. So you would copy your description and you would paste it right here. And then you create your new text and then you just literally paste it right there. And it's going to go through automatically every single description. We have hundreds of videos, and in literally a couple minutes, I can change my entire description on every single video. So very important tool that I use all of the time. There's bulk card, end screens, all this stuff you can really do that I upload all the time, and it saves me a ton of time. Now the last thing I want to talk about is, let's say we're uploading a video. This is what you're going to be seeing with Tubebuddy. If you're confused about tags, guess what? It does it for you. So if you scroll down, you'll see my huge description that's already in there. See all these tags? Look at Tubebuddy will literally recommend a bunch of different tags for you that are related to your title. You can see that I rank for a lot of these that I put in there, but that's an easy way for you to get a bunch of relevant tags that you can plug in there that are going to work and help boost your video. So yes, Tubebuddy is an absolute game changer. I've done a lot of videos and tutorials on it, and it's always improving. Like I said, I used to have to use multiple tools for that SEO Studio and all that, and now it's all in one, and it's always up in its game. So yes, Tubebuddy. In fact, in the description below is my link. If you use tubebuddy.com/YT agents, it's an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help me out a little bit so I can get more videos to you. So make sure you click on that. Go get Tubebuddy today. I pay for the $19 a month subscription that really gives you everything. If you pay for the $9 one, it's not going to give you as much as you need. But that's what I do. I literally teach you everything about YouTube. How to grow your channel's subscribers, views, how to get free real estate leads, everything. If you want more of that, make sure you tap that subscribe button, click the little bell so you're notified every time I do a new video. Check out that free webinar all the time too. It's in the description and comments. And now you're seeing a bunch of other videos pop up. Start clicking on those. You'll learn exactly how to grow your channel, and you will be well on your way. And until the next video, we'll catch you later.